after a long hiatus, 8 months, we're back, and we're going to continue, hopefully, if I can keep to a consistent schedule, which is, well, we'll see. Anyway, let's get started then. So first thing we're going to do is add some bushes to our world. These are going to be the bushes that we check for encounters, basically. We're not going to be adding it on a per tile basis. We're going to be adding entire zones in which we check whenever the player moves, and every time the player moves we're going to check if an encounter occurs. So add a area, and within the area add whatever collision shape you think best fits the zone that you want to check for your encounters in. So I'm doing that here. Mine isn't the best fitting one, so a couple of encounter checks occur outside the zone, which isn't the best, but hopefully you can come up with a better system. Anyway, yeah, we don't need the initializing function, or the ready. We're going to link two of these. First up, the body enter function, and within that we're basically just going to set a variable within player to true, but for now I'm just checking that it's working by printing hello. So as you can see, when we move into it, hello is printed. Anyway, we moved into the wrong world accidentally there. So then we can move to our player class and add the variable ingrass. So just var ingrass. Keep to convention, lowercase I, capital G, to find that it's false to start with, assuming that your player doesn't start in grass, which I assume that they don't. So get the parent, and we want to get the player node, and then dot ingrass will give us access to the player's variable. Just set that to true. Simple as that. Then we need to do the same, or the opposite, when the player leaves the grass, so just link up that node. Did it on the wrong area 2D then. So just copy that, paste it, and false. Okay. Then we're just going to check every time the player moves to see if the check encounter function is called. So if in grass, this is every time a player moves, so we have to do this for each of the movement axes. I got a new keyboard if you were wondering about the insanely slow typing speeds that are occurring currently, and this is pre-recorded. So, yeah. And finally, there we go. Then we just want to add the function for the check encounter. Then we just need to see if the probability is met, basically. So we declare a random variable. So this is the probability that, this variable here is the probability that the player encounters. So it's a 50-50 chance right now. We're comparing it out of 100. So a random number is generated between 0 and 100. If the number is greater than probability, then an encounter occurs. I've been doing too much C++, as you can see by the fact I did rand instead of randi. I fix that in a second. And we're just going to print something for now. And I run it, it fails because I haven't done randi. There we go. And look, so you can mess with the probability. It's nothing fixed. But that's it for now. We'll continue this in another 8 months. Yeah, it's been a bit of a drag, you know. I've gotten a bit tired of Godot, but I'm getting back into it. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing anything else. You know, mix things up. Maybe some C++ or something. I don't know. Anyway, thanks. Bye.